Imagine earning money just for your daily drive. Toyota might make it a reality. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Toyota has filed a patent for a system that pays vehicle owners for their driving data, turning every pothole, wildlife encounter, and unusual road condition into potential cash. Your car collects information, sends it to Toyota, and if the data passes quality checks and proves to be useful, you get paid. If not, you get nothing. Simple as that. But the amount you earn won't be fixed. A dynamic pricing list would adjust based on what Toyota needs most at any moment, which means hitting a rare road could be far more fascinating than a standard commute. And before you worry about privacy, know that participation is entirely voluntary. The system asks for your permission before any data leaves your vehicle and lets you switch sharing on or off mid-trip. You can even cut off the access if a journey is too private. But why would Toyota pay for you to see you drive? The data would train autonomous driving and safety systems, helping AI handle rare and real-world scenarios far faster than any lab simulation. Every surprise pothole, sudden animal crossing, or tricky traffic becomes a learning opportunity for self-driving software. Automakers have been collecting data for years, but how it's used or who profits remains in the shadows. Industry estimates suggest vehicle data could be worth $400 billion annually by 2030. Toyota's patent hints at a future of transparency and compensation, though like many patents, it may never leave the filing cabinet. But still, it's a shining peek at a world where your car could literally pay for your taking adventures while driving. If the patent gets approved, are you gonna sell your driving data? Let us know in the comments, like the video, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.